if you've got a laptop, you're probably going to want to download the desktop version of all the Office tools. And I'll show you how you can do that. If you go to the Kerikeri High School webpage, if you just go to the little orange thing, it'll take you straight to your Office home. You may have to log in and sign in like this. So if I sign in, it will take me to my Office 365 homepage. So when I'm here, I go up to this side here, which is my account. Okay, you'll also see I've got Install Office just here. So if you click to install Office, you can just go and download all of these things now, which is really, really simple. So that's the easiest way you can do it. You save it and it will be loading, and then you can run it and stay online. But you can also check here with your account how many times you can download it. So it's asking me if it wants to make changes. You can see that you can install Office on up to 5 PC or Macs, and you can install them that way. This way I can look at how many things I've got installed on, and you can see that I've got this one installed on 5 different computers, so I've got no more to install. But it's very, very simple, and it's free for the time that you're at Kerikeri High School.